Plastics persist for decades in landfills and are known to leak toxic chemicals into surrounding soils. They release noxious gases when burned, leaving incineration out of the question. Their solution was ingenious. These innovators found a breakthrough in something we all use every single day without even realizing it. How do we live with waste plastics? By living in them. Building blocks. Cement blocks can be used to seal in plastics, preventing the escape of toxic chemicals for good.
Some of the plastics are recovered, shred it and mix it with cement and sand to produce concrete products.
But this proposed solution came with its own problems. To be successful, the blocks had to prove themselves on the housing market, where buyers doubted the strength of a cement block loaded with plastic.
At the beginning, people don't believe that we can produce actually concrete materials with the mix of plastics. People who comes here, when we tell them, oh, these are our products, and then they will say, did you mix that with waste? And when we said yes, they'll just walk out from us.
The foundations of a house are under enormous pressure. If the block isn't strong enough to withstand the pressure from above, it can have a catastrophic effect on the structure and the families within. To convince our customers that these blocks were as strong as any, Revi booked an appointment with Henry Gayan, Chief Engineer at the Testing Center of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Hello, good morning.
Engineer, good morning. Magpapatest naman po kami ng hollow blocks.
No problem.
Her goal was to have her blocks certified for industrial use. But to do that, the blocks would have to withstand a minimum total pressure of 550 pounds per square inch. For starters, Henry tests a commercial block.
Sige, engineer. Para pumasa siya, ano dapat ang ano?
Abutin ng 44 kilonewton, equivalent to 350 psi.
350 psi.
Yeah. We'll start now.
So automatic mag-i-stop to, engineer, diba?
Pag break na, mag-stop.
Automatic.
Automatic.
The competition's block has failed the test and failed miserably, barely registering on the pressure gauge. There are countless reasons why the block might have failed the test, including poor quality sand or errors in the curing process. Next up is Revi's block.
Ang abutin dito naman sa metro natin is 70 kilonewton. Parang ma-meet niya yung required strength. I-try na.
If her block fails the test, it's unlikely that Revi will be able to sell her latest batch on the lucrative housing market.
Ano dapat, engineer?
70. Oh, lampas na. Merit pa, oh.
Yes.
Equivalent to 1,272 psi.
PSI.
1,000 na lampas na. Tinimes 2 na yung required mo.
The success at the testing facility represents a victory, not only for Revi and Luzon Green Art Technology, but also for the entire city. Since achieving certification, the team has manufactured over 100,000 pieces of different-sized hollow blocks, and various designs and colors of paving blocks. The blocks have found their way into major housing developments, industrial buildings, and even into the Laoag City General Hospital. But the biggest impact of their work can be seen at the local landfill site, where the team has eliminated 500,000 kilograms of garbage. That's enough to reduce the height of the landfill by 10 meters.
Prior to the implementation of the program, you can see the garbage just as high as those trees. I believe that using low-cost technology, as long as we protect the environment, we are contributing something to